Hello guys, so I'll quickly show you the reason why EasyWorship shows on one side of your screen rather than the entire screen. Okay, so somebody was asking me why this happens, so I'll do this real quick. The reason this happens is because when you go over to your EasyWorship, you go to edit, then you go to options. So the reason why this happens is because first of all, your output monitor is set to custom position. All right, now with custom position, you can customize your EasyWorship to be lower third, or you can place it in any part of the screen. Okay, as you can see under the screen margin, the right hand side is set to 800 and then the bottom is set to 300. That is why it is on one side of the screen. So if I change this to 1000 and then I change this to 600, so you can see now that it has changed in size. Okay, so this is why it is showing on one part of the screen. In order to fix this, there are two things you can do. The first one is change this custom position to primary monitor. Now if I had an external monitor connected to this computer, I would have seen it here. All right, so this primary monitor is my main laptop screen. That is why it is showing only primary monitor. So if I have a Samsung or LG TV or external screen plugged to my computer, I will see it here. Okay, so I'll just choose my primary monitor. You can choose your screen that is connected. Okay, so the next thing to do is to come over to this right hand side and change this figure to 0. Then the bottom, you change it to 0. All right, that will fix your screen and make it full size screen. So when I click on OK and then I check it back, you can see now that it is showing on the full screen rather than one side of the screen. All right, so that is how you can fix your EasyWorship from showing on one side of the screen to the entire screen. Now mind you, the reason I use main out was because I don't have external monitor connected to my computer. If yours is connected to external monitor, okay, what you can do is you come over to this alternate output. Remember I told you that alternate means any other thing that is added to your computer, your external screen, your NDI, and so on and so forth. Alternate means second option or second choice or something else that is extended from your main computer. So if you have external monitor, you come to alternate output. Under the output monitor, you change it from custom to your main monitor that is connected. This one is still my main screen because I don't have external monitor plugged in. Okay, so this is where you have to do your figures. From whatever figure that is written there, change it to 0, and then the bottom you change it to 0. If it is the top, you can change it to 0 if it is set to any other figures. This is how you can get your full size screen. All right, and when you are done, you click on OK. So let me know if this video was helpful to you. Do well to subscribe to my channel, share this video. See you in the next one.